fingers and write 9 table. First finger left side 0, right side 9. 9 ones are 9. Fold the second finger. Left side 1, right side 8. 9 twos are 18. This is fraction. 2 plus 3 5. 1 plus 7 8. 2 plus 8 10. This is 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. Do the divisions activity by sharing. ఒక్కొక్కరికి 2 వచ్చాయి. బండి 4 2 కలిపితే 6. ఇక్కడ 6 వేసుకోవాలి. 3 digits addition. 1 from 1 maximum పెట్టచ్చు. 10 from 1 maximum పెట్టచ్చు. 10 from 1 maximum పెట్టచ్చు. 9 3 12. తర్వాత 1 10. 1 7. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is one odd numbers. Lastly 1 3 5 7 9 was the odd numbers. Yes. 0 50 100. Ones 100. 50 tens hundreds. Thousands 10,000 1 lakh. Ones tens hundreds thousand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is tables. 0 table, 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table. This is numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.